right now we're going to take you through the first part, the first figure of the rumba. And the first figure is actually a basic step that we're going to do 4 times. The rhythm again is 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Only the very first time we're going to start on count 1. And that makes it easier so you don't have to start struggling to find that count 2 in the music. We'll just start on count 1 to make it easier. So guys, you will start with your right foot to the right, and the ladies will start with their left foot to the left. And we'll start on count 1. Then from the side step, we'll go forward, ladies go back, then we'll replace, and then go to the side where we actually started. So from the beginning, one more time, guys with the right foot, ladies with the left foot, and you do side, forward, replace, and left.